Inspector Steven here. All right, my friends. Your dryer vent blows hot, humid, lint-ridden air out through a hole on your exterior of the house. And sometimes we forget about these, right? So I want to show you one that's been forgotten about. Let's look. And if you look, there's like a hole. It's like, it looks like the rock, but it's not. There's like a whole shirt's worth of lint in here. Look at that. I'm just gonna casually stick my fingers up in here. Completely, it's like hardened back into fabric. Woo. All right, here we go on the other side here. Look at that. Chock full.